Are you planning to launch a new marketplace? Or if you already have the marketplace but you are struggling to make a profit from your marketplace because you rely on only seller commission model. I will tell you the seller commission model itself is not enough to cover your marketing and operations costs and make this business sustainable. In this video, I am going to show you 4 different revenue sources that you should implement on your marketplace so that your marketplace business model is a sustainable business that generates 6-figure revenue from your business. Let me tell you the secret. This model alone is not sustainable. Many marketplace owners believe that just taking a small percentage from each sale is enough. But truth is, seller commission alone won't cover your cost and they definitely won't help you scale. Okay, so this is why today I am going to show you the 4 additional revenue stream that successful marketplace use to generate consistent profit, because the ultimate goal is to generate the profit and make a sustainable business. Plus, stay at the end of the video where I have put a bonus for you, so that will help you to optimize your business model for your marketplace. So let's quickly break down the problem with relying only on the seller commission. Here is why it doesn't work. First, the low commission or low margin. Suppose you are taking 5 to 10% commission. Okay, it sounds good, but when we calculate everything like marketing costs, operation, customer support, profitability, so entire calculation show that you are not profitable at all, because your Facebook ad cost and the profit that you are generating from each order is not enough. There is a Facebook ad cost, RTO cost, your employee cost, and also some other expenses plus your profit. So only the seller commission cannot cover it. Second thing is high competition. If you will charge high commission on your marketplace, so seller won't stay with you, they will move to the other platform. Okay, and the third thing is the scalability. It is a very big issue. If you are making a marketplace, so you should have a model, business model that should scale as the seller come and the order increased. Okay, so but if you will charging on the seller commission and there is no other way to be a profitable, so your marketplace won't sustain anymore. Okay, but don't worry, the good news is top marketplace like Amazon, eBay, Etsy use multiple revenue source to build a profitable business. If you will think closely and check out all the website properly, so you will see there is a lot of multiple revenue sources in each marketplace. Okay, so don't worry, I will show you everything one by one in today's video, so that you will make a profitable marketplace business. And if you want to know more about it, so just book a call with me. Link is given in the description, so where we can do a one-to-one meeting and discuss about how we can build a sustainable marketplace business for you, and you will execute it properly. Our team will help you to guide step-by-step process and how to execute all the framework and activate all the revenue step one by one. Let's go to the revenue model. So first model is subscription or membership fees. Okay, so as you know about the Amazon Prime, Etsy Plus, Shopify subscription model. So first major revenue stream is subscription and membership fees. Instead of just taking commission, offer seller or buyer a premium membership with exclusive bonus. So think about the buyer. So Amazon Prime giving a fast delivery to buyers and also special discount and premium services using Amazon Prime membership. If we talk about the seller perspective, so Etsy Plus, LinkedIn Premium, so they are providing premium services to the seller to utilize the data analysis, the view count and the visibility. So there is a lot of feature that you can lock for the premium customer only. So if you add a membership model, you create predictable recurring revenue instead of waiting for seller commission to add up. Now the second revenue source is featured listing and advertisement. So if you will go to Amazon, so you will see the sponsored product. Okay, and you let seller pay extra to boost their product and get more sales. And this is a premium feature offered by the Amazon to the brand deal on, so that if seller want to list their product on the top of the category, on the top of the search results or in particular category, so they have to pay some amount for some certain period. Okay, so this is called a sponsored listing. This work just like a Google ads but inside your marketplace. And also in Amazon you can see some banner ads, promotion, the brand deal you can say. So brand and the seller can place ads on your website with for higher visibility. Even you can sell the third party tickets events as well. Okay, it's all up to you how you will utilize this ad space. Even if you can see the study, it sees a 50% increase in revenue when they launch a sponsored listing. So you can imagine how huge impact you will get. It is a pure profit from your marketplace because your marketplace already getting a lot of traffic. So now you are just utilizing that traffic and making a more revenue. Okay, so this is how you will make a passive income. So you don't need to do anything. The companies will contact you automatically and you will just sell your space to these companies. Come to the third part is the transaction and processing fees. Suppose you just depend on the seller commission model. Okay, so you can match up some platform fees. Okay, even you can use 0.5% or 1%, whatever is suitable for you. So that match up fees you can use so that your profit will be a little bit higher. Okay, and but there is again a one condition, like seller do not object on this. If a lot of seller will object on this because they also listing their product in a limited profit margin. Okay, so it may happen that your seller a lot of seller start objecting on this thing. So you have some valid reason, okay, or you have some strong reason to say the seller like why you are charging that much. And don't worry, all the marketplace and the big companies are using a platform fees or convenience charge. And now fourth revenue stream is value added service. Like Amazon, if you will provide the fulfillment, or you provide some marketing analysis or some premium support to your sellers, and even the seller can see the analytics, how many users are viewing their product and add to cart, and some other custom analytics about the competitors. Okay, so if you will provide this type of feature in your marketplace and you charge premium for these type of services, so then it will be another revenue source for your marketplace. This model works because you are not just a marketplace, you are a business partner helping sellers success while increasing your earning. This is how you can add all these four features in your marketplace and increase your profitability and make your business sustainable. Okay, so once again, so let's recap. If you are running a marketplace, don't just rely on seller commission. You should also use subscription based membership model. Also you should have the featured listing and ads. You can add transaction fees and the payment fees, and also you can use value added services. I have put together a detailed marketplace revenue model in a PDF guide that explain everything with example. So you can download it with the link given in the description. Now I want to hear from you. What is your biggest challenge in running a marketplace? Drop me a comment and I will personally reply you. What is your problems and what is your biggest fear, and me and my team will help you to overcome from these issues, and we will help you to launch a successful marketplace. So if you are looking to launch a marketplace within a 90 days with all the four revenue system, you can book a free consultation call with me. Link is also given in the description. So book a call and we will discuss further about your marketplace business and how we can grow it within a 90 days and activate all the four revenue sources. So that's it for the today's video. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to keep update with the all new video about how you can run a successful online marketplace business. In the next video I will share you one more important tip that you can use in your e-commerce business. So that's it for today's video.